Hi, I'm Paul Badham, Associate Director at Harrison Clarke. In this video, I'm going to give you a brief summary of what the building regulations are and how they may affect work at your property. The UK building regulations are a set of standards that govern the design and construction of buildings to ensure safety, health and energy efficiency. These regulations apply to most building work, including new constructions, extensions and some alterations. Primary legislation governing the building regulations in the UK is the Building Act 1984. There are detailed requirements set out in the Building Regulations 2010. These regulations are periodically updated to reflect changes in technology, safety standards and environmental considerations. To help builders and developers comply with the regulations, the government publishes approved documents. These documents provide practical guidance on meeting the requirements of the building regulations. Each approved document covers a specific aspect of building work, such as structural safety. Approved Document A provides guidance on ensuring the structural integrity of buildings. This includes requirements for foundations, walls, roofs and other structural elements to withstand loads and stresses. Secondly, there's fire safety. Approved Document B outlines measures to control and prevent fires, including the installation of fire alarms, sprinkler systems and fire-resistant materials. It also covers escape routes for emergency access and for emergency services. Thirdly, there's health and hygiene. Approved Documents C, G and H address issues related to site preparation, sanitation and drainage. These documents ensure that buildings are constructed in a way that prevents contamination and provides adequate facilities for hygiene. Fourthly, there's sound insulation. Approved Document E sets standards for sound insulation between buildings and within buildings to minimise noise disturbance. Next is energy efficiency. Approved Document L focuses on the conservation of fuel and power. It includes requirements for insulation, heating systems and energy efficiency lighting to reduce the environmental impact of buildings. Then there's also accessibility. Approved Document M ensures that buildings are accessible to all people, including people with disabilities. This includes provisions for ramps, lifts and accessible toilets. Then there's also ventilation. Approved Document F provides guidance on ensuring adequate ventilation to maintain indoor air quality and to prevent condensation. There are also documents to cover electrical safety. Approved Document P sets out the requirements for electrical installations to prevent hazards such as electric shocks and fires. Building work must comply with the building regulations and local authorities are responsible for their enforcement. Builders and developers must usually submit plans for approval and undergo inspections at various stages of construction. Non-compliance can result in fines and orders to rectify the works. The building regulations are regularly updated to incorporate new standards and technology. Recent updates include provisions for overheating, Approved Document O, and electrical vehicle charging infrastructure, Approved Document S. In summary, the UK building regulations are essential for ensuring the safety, health and sustainability of buildings. By adhering to these standards, builders and developers contribute to creating a built environment that is safe, efficient and accessible for all. At Harrison Clarke, we are experts in ensuring that your project will meet the requirements of the building regulations. If we can assist you with delivering your project by preparing designs, specifications and contract administration of the works, please give our team a call on 023 81 550 051 and we would love to help.